One of the best things about waking up early on your birthday is opening up your Starbucks app and getting your free breakfast drink or breakfast sandwich, right? So I can't eat or drink anything from Starbucks at the moment since I'm on this 30-day challenge, but I did get a bacon Gouda breakfast sandwich for my son. Couldn't just let something free go to waste. So Chris is at home waiting for me. We're gonna head to the mall and we're gonna do some shopping. There are some fragrances that I've been dying to smell. It is a rainy day. I have this trench on that I bought from H&M. And then I'm wearing a sweater from Mango. And then these jeans are from Abercrombie. And my boots are no name. Look at the detailing in this hat. I love this hat. Are those your Italian boots? These are gorgeous.
You got these for me, I think, for my birthday.
Yeah, I picked those out.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
We look ridiculous. All right, let's go have some fun.
30, 32.
Chris and I love shopping together, buying clothes, outfits, all the things. And he was specifically looking for a couple of outfits to wear in Italy. And I found this knit t-shirt. It's collared. I found these nice pants. I asked him to try it on and he finally agreed. He thought it was okay, but I really loved it. I thought it looked really chic and effortless, very relaxed. And then it grew on him and he decided he liked it. I made him flex. Look at those muscles. I embarrassed him. But the details in this knit top, oh my goodness, I just think it's incredibly handsome. And then we went to Macy's and I wanted to try the Narciso Rodriguez perfumes. They smelled so good. I think I smelled all of them and I ended up getting the original, the one in the black tube, or black bottle rather. But this one, this All of Me new fragrance, oh, beautiful, beautiful. And after about an hour, my feet started hurting, so we stopped at a Foot Locker and I got a pair of New Balance. These looked really chic with the outfit as well. I love that suede tan nude tone. So I bought these for $79.99. It was a great deal. And then we went to Banana Republic and Chris tried on this blazer coat jacket thing, whatever. I thought it looked extremely dapper on him. The whole outfit right there, stunning. So we bought several things for he and I both, and it started to really come down with the rain, so we decided to go to dinner. I'm still on my diet, so we went to this barbecue place for the kids, and they got pastrami sandwiches, baked beans, he has cucumbers there, mac and cheese, pork belly, rib tips, collard greens, like all of it. We are back home. I am all dirty from baking. I'm making my birthday cake. This is the famous chocolate pie that my kids have loved for years and years. So really, I'm making the cake for them. But I am gonna eat a piece because it's my birthday. Like just a little something. I used the chocolate instant jello pudding mix with milk, and then I put chunks of Oreo in it. And then I have sweetened condensed milk mixed with cream cheese. And then I take half of this batter and I mix it with half of the condensed milk to make this right here. So this is the chocolate cheesecakey rich stuff that's gonna go one layer on the crust. And then we're gonna do a chocolate layer. And then we're gonna put Cool Whip, and it's all gonna go inside this cookie crust. This is just Pillsbury sugar cookie crust. So it's cooling right now. And then I'm gonna put everything together. It's so good. Now I just put it in the refrigerator to set. Chris is back there wrapping my birthday presents.
I'm not doing a very good job though.
It looks great. Hey guys, it is the next morning and I didn't open up my gifts on camera. I got really tired and ended up just going to bed. So I thought I would just open it right now. I got the Dyson Air Wrap, or Chris got it for me. So these are all the attachments. I'm sure you guys know what the Dyson attachments look like already. The round brush, a bigger barrel, and a smaller barrel for curling. And then this brush here. Attachments, main part, pretty standard. I'm really excited to try this out on my hair. And then my son and his girlfriend got me a couple of gifts that were so thoughtful. The first one is this little plant right here. It's a rattlesnake plant, and his name is Jimmy 2 Times. I like to name my plants off of mob characters. I love this stone pot that they put it in. I got the Ulta gift card, a couple of candles. This one is sandalwood and vanilla. It is a soy wax blend. So, so good. And then this one is bergamot rose and musk. And then this little soap dispenser. That is so my aesthetic, and I'm gonna put it over there next to my other soaps. And then I put all of it in this little organizational tray here, which I also love. So really, really thoughtful. I got everything that I wanted and more. All right, so I ended up getting the Narcisa Rodriguez for her. This is the original one. Chris chose this one as a date night scent for vacation, which is why I got the small bottle. This is a beautiful musk vanilla vetiver, like sexy date night scent. So this was the winner chosen by Chris himself. I got these really cute pants for vacation. They're just a linen blend, and they're white, and it's nice and wide-legged. And I can wear this with lots of different tops. So I really love this from Marshalls. I got another crochet dress that's white. A lot of white dresses, I know. This one is from Abercrombie, and it has a nice little ruffling at the top. And then it's a short dress. It's double lined, it's nice and thick, and it just has the most beautiful patterns on it. It's frilly and romantic for a little day date, you know what I mean? Love this. A quick little update on my lip flip. Today is day number 5. I definitely feel the effect of the Botox relaxing that upper lip. It is hard to curl it, so when I brush my teeth and I go to spit, it feels very strange. There's definitely a resistance there. Some people don't mind it. I don't mind it. Some people absolutely hate it. But in terms of the fullness of my top lip, I do have lip liner on, but you can see that you can just see a lot more of that upper lip. I'll do a comparison of the before and after the full week, and you guys can see side by side. I'm not interested in lip filler anymore. I really always wanted just a more matching upper and lower lip. I'm really happy with the way this looks so far. So there's a little update for that. If you are somebody who needs arch support or more comfort because you walk a lot, or you're a runner and jogger, these are made by runners for runners. Doesn't mean you have to be a runner, but the support is unreal. It's not the typical jelly, foamy thing, the insert that you would put in a shoe just for that squishy, soft feeling. This is actual support. It's sturdy, it's firm. When you step on it, your foot is in a different position and it stays there. I have a high arch, and so my foot stays in that natural position all the time. And you can also trim it. If they end up being too long, you can trim them with scissors and it stays in good shape. I got a size small, comes in all different sizes. They have some for people with flat feet, high arches, medium arches. If your knees go in, if they go out, if they're perfectly straight, they are curated for your exact needs, and the comfort is unreal. So because Chris and I are going to Italy, we're gonna be walking around in Rome. One of our food tours and architectural tours is 7.5 hours long. So of course we're gonna get breaks in between, but there's a lot of walking involved. So I wanted to make sure that we both had something of high quality. I'm gonna link them below. I got them from Amazon. They're like around $45, $50, but you can put them in and out of every pair of shoe that you have. Easily taken in and out. They stay and put. Unreal comfort, unreal support. I highly recommend these. My last 2 boxes, I don't remember what I got, but this one is from Sephora. Oh, okay, yeah. I just restocked on my Merit mascara, and then it came with a free sample of the Olaplex number 3, number 8, and then the number 7 bonding oil. You guys know Olaplex is creme de la creme for damaged hair. How adorable is this little oil? He's so tiny. I have the big one already, but this is great for travel. Love that. And I love that it was free. I love free stuff. So number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. And number 8 is a Bond Intense Moisture Mask, if you didn't know. Okay, last package. And this one is, oh yeah. I wanted to try K18 hair products. I've heard so many good things about it. It's the Damage Shield Protective Shampoo and Conditioner. This is what they look like. I also got the oil. Oh my gosh, the oil is so expensive, $50-something, but people swear by it. They say that it lasts in a long time. Okay, so it comes in a little dropper and then you push the top like that. It doesn't smell like anything, no fragrance. Now that I've bleached my hair, I think that this is a great product to transition over to keep my hair protected and healthy. So oils and damage shield items. Okay, that's everything. So many boxes. I'm making myself lunch. I have mushrooms and zucchini, and we're gonna put garlic, tomatoes, and lots of seasoning. I have these tomatoes that I've pre-washed. Adobo, always. Pepper. I'm just gonna use garlic powder today. I don't feel like crushing up garlic. Crushed red pepper. And over here, I have my sweet potatoes that I'm about to pop in the oven. I have the house to myself. Everyone's at work, Chris and the kids. The dogs are napping, so I think I'm gonna put something on the TV and just chill for a little while and edit so I can have a vlog for you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out. Thank you for all the kind birthday wishes on Instagram. You guys are amazing. I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gonna have a weigh-in in my next vlog. I've made some more progress. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys. The scale is going down. I'll see you then. Bye for now.